Kindly be seated. Pila Wanisham Baro. We have professed our faith and belief in the Holy Eucharist, the body and blood of Christ, by partaking in the Eucharistic procession. And in this moment of adoration, we invite His Grace Bishop Joachim Walder, Auxiliary Bishop of Aizawl, to lead us deeper in worship through his short message in English.
Siya makatanya.
Yang apa? Thầy gặp tôi là sao?
Your Excellency, Most Reverend Leopoldo Girelli, the Apostolic Nuncio to India and Nepal, Your Grace, Most Reverend Victor Ringo, Your Lordships, Most Reverend Wilfred and Ferdinand Ricard, dear Reverend Fathers, Reverend Sisters, Reverend Brothers, and dear brothers and sisters in Lord Jesus. Today is one of the happiest and most blessed days in our life, as thousands of us have gathered together to this annual Eucharistic procession. We spend this day in participating in the Mass, prayer, and now in procession, taking Jesus, receiving Holy Communion, visiting the Blessed Sacrament, procession, and so on. All these have helped us to grow in our love for Jesus, present in the Holy Eucharist. In your parish and the entire world, Jesus will become your friend, and I too will be your friend. Dear brothers and sisters in Lord Jesus, as we have spent this day with great devotion in prayer, reflection, and this procession, may Eucharist transform our everyday life and we become the friends of Jesus.
Ban puson shu ya ke jingren ke bang ya sngau ni khot ya kwaya ban ai ngi al khot ke chingroi. Continuing with the worship and adoration to the Blessed Sacrament, may I invite His Grace, Bishop Ferdinand Kar, Bishop of Jawai Diocese, to deliver his message in Khasi.
Eniro Basongo Malagapur. Eniro Basongo Malagapur. Eniro Basongo Malagapur. Ujisu Ong Udwai Nakabentai Jengi Udan Hapdeng Jengi Ulayai Dekat Batni Had Bat Benta Kerpange Kasnem Akabangi Donbok Banyo Yo Art Yo Undansio Uba Mikmat Yo Pabakuy Nisnya Uma Nilong Kawai.
The Eucharist is the gift that Jesus Christ makes of himself, thus revealing to us God's infinite love for every man and woman. The words of Jesus, "Take, this is my body, and this is my blood, the blood of the covenant," are not simply words,